My name is Amod Onkar, the Vice President for SolidCAM for the milling products. We have been with ModuleWorks 3-axis for almost 4-5 years now. We adopted first the roughing technology of ModuleWorks along with the finishing technology that was available at that time. We are very excited about the finishing technology that was there because it was very rapid in calculation. Recalculations were even more faster, and the level of automation that was there inside the product was very high because there were hardly any parameters that the user could input that would remove the dependency of really highly skilled programmers. Going forward, we implemented the roughing part of ModuleWorks. That was even more better because it had both the qualities of rapid toolpath calculation as well as total user control. And the output that came out from the ModuleWorks engine was of very high quality. And most important was it was very safe, because in roughing, you have to be very, very careful with your retracts and other things, and especially with the holder collisions. So ModuleWorks gave us a toolpath right from the very first word go. It was very safe, very fast, and very efficient on the machine. So we have customers in India, especially the aerospace customers, using this product for their aerospace components like structures and also some specialty parts on titanium and Inconel. And they have found great value in the way the toolpath generates and the end part comes up. And of late, we have also now implemented the latest version of ModuleWorks 3-axis engine, which again combines the power of speed and as well as the user control. And the end product that we have seen at several places, the surface quality that comes out brilliant. And I think one of the key features, there are quite a few of them, but I would like to highlight two key features here. One is the toolpath point spacing that is controlled by the user. So the user controls how the finish comes out. And the other one is especially for sharp areas where the user doesn't want the tool to touch on the corner or the edges. So they have the edge rolling function or prevent edge rolling function, where the user can actually protect the edges from getting damaged during machining. So these are the key features that really have helped customers in our domain become more efficient, to become more safe or create more safe toolpaths, and finally make parts much better than what they would probably were making a couple of years back.